Okay, hey there, everyone. So I know ChatGPT was down this morning, and I made a post about how I take my custom GPTs and I use them on other platforms. So now I'm just gonna this is gonna be a quick live session because I know a lot of people want to make sure that their operation stays up and running. So I'm gonna show you on each platform how to make basically your same custom GPT on Claude, on Perplexity, on Gemini, and Grok. So, and if anyone has any questions, feel free to leave it in the chat. So right now you could see here are my custom GPTs, my TED Talk helper, my marketing helper, my objection overcomer, my AI consulting network helper. So in each of these modules or custom GPTs, you'll have your instructions and your knowledge base. So that's basically what's important for each custom GPT. So now taking that, if you have access to it, let's go to Claude first. So now this is Claude. This is the interface. If you go to projects, you will see that is their version of creating their own custom GPT. And then you create new project. You see, I replicate a lot of my custom GPTs across different platforms. So if you're on Claude, you click new project, and then you name your project. Okay, let's just see here. And then create project. And then here you could put in any knowledge. You would take that from ChatGPT. And then for the project instructions, you could copy and paste the instructions into here. And now this will perform the same on ChatGPT. And that's for Claude. And this is just going to be the transfer of knowledge base because there's a lot of cool things that you could do in Claude with integrations, but that could be a separate video. So now if you like using Perplexity, here, now this is Perplexity's home screen. If you go to spaces, that is what they call their version of custom GPTs. And then you just click, like they have a couple of templates for you to start. But if you go to spaces, click new space, and then you could label it test, and then here's a description, and then you could do custom instructions. Here's custom instructions, and then here you could add your knowledge base and any links to this custom GPT, which is called Spaces in Perplexity. So that is Perplexity. Now, if we move on to Gemini, Gemini has their things called gems. So this is the homepage of Gemini. And you see, like, I still have a couple of them. Like, I don't replicate all of them across each one, but I definitely replicate my AI consulting network helper across each platform just because, like, that's my most important one. And, like, I like to play around with all of them. So here, it's called gems. So if you go to explore gems, then create a new gem. See, test. Here's your instructions that you could copy and paste from your custom GPTs. And same like before, you could add your files as a knowledge base. And then it's the same exact setup. Every time you discuss with these certain gems, it will be its own custom knowledge base and instructions. So that's Gemini. Now, if you're a big Grok fan, if you go into Grok, here is the home screen, making sure everything's loading, and they have their thing called workspaces. Now, if you go to, so I haven't really made so many in Grok, I've just played around with it briefly, but if you click new workspace, instructions, same exact thing, take your instructions, replicate it across all of these databases, and then click save. And then here, you could attach your knowledge base within Grok. And that, in a nutshell, is how you can stay prepared on not relying too much on one platform, just in case a platform goes down and you really rely on certain knowledge bases or custom GPTs to implement into your workflow. And that is it. Does anyone have a different platform that they use that I didn't discuss? I mainly don't use Copilot so much, but I believe theirs is called Pages, but I think that is all the main platforms. So I hope this was helpful. If anyone has any questions, please reach out, and hope you all have a great rest of the day.